What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist. On this Vlogmas Day 12, let me make sure I got everything in frame, got the whole TV there, so we in frame here. I'm about to show you my creative process when I'm using this monitor. This isn't a TV, even though I call it a TV, this is actually a monitor. So I turn it on, and then I turn on the lights, the accent light on the exterior. And I have this extra light that I turn on to complete the loop. I must have turned that light off. Let's turn that light on down there. So now we got the entire perimeter of the TV is lit. Then I connect it to my tablet. And while I'm connecting it to the tablet, I turn on my overhead light. And then I drop the overhead light down considerably. And I know sometimes I look dark. I can raise it up. And I can set it to a cool light like this. And I'm going to make that warm again. I think the cool look better. It look cooler because it's cool. So then I connect it to my tablet. This tablet is the Samsung Galaxy, and I'm not a Samsung night, even though I got all this Samsung stuff in here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy tablet, the Galaxy Tablet 9. So it seems like it's so extremely difficult to go into the menu to find out how to connect this thing to the display. So I hit the connected devices, and then I hit Smart View. Then I select the TV. So what's on the screen should pop up, and then I maximize that. Now we take up the whole screen, and I minimize this, move this out of the way. So this is it. So I can play with the menu on the tablet. I'm doing everything on the tablet. And that's my creative process when using this thing. So this is the Savage Scientist Ed. I have more videos coming on this Vlogmas Day 12 till I make my next video, folks. Peace out.